Roll. Stop. Kabila.
Drop your hips a little more. Last 10, pare. Last 10. Last 5. Let's go, boys. Don't hurt your lower back. So if you hurt your lower back, you have to push through. Mental toughness, yes. Hindi lang lakas ng katawan. Yan. Yan. Last 8. Second time, guys, ha. Forward mo pa ito. Try to load the weight sa... Oh, last 8, last 8. Ayan, din mo. Boom! Reset on me, ha, on me. Go! 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 Balik. Go! Example, nag-go na ako. Pedal tayo, pero mabilis, boys. Harap kayo. Tapos, harap ulit. Then, yan. Tapos, high knees ulit. High knees, boys. High knees. Go! Go! Harap. So, pedal. Go! Go! Go!
Talon!
Adjust natin. Masyado matasi.
Tapos backpedal.
Backpedal. Gusto kayo mag-end place, ha? Backpedal, then turn. Okay? Tapos pinagkahanda na.
Knees, boys. Go!
Backpedal. Backpedal. Swing your arms. Go. Jump. Jump. Isa pa. Sprint. Backpedal. Isa pa. Sprint. Balik. Sprint. Backpedal. Yan, harap na. Turn. There you go. Jump. Jump. Yeah. Go. Pedal. Sprint. Nice one, G. Backpedal. Turn. Jump. Nice one. Go. Nice one. Turn, pare. There you go. Nice one. Go, jump. Go. Last one. Turn. There you go, last one. Nice. Control. Continuous dribble, ha? Ay, next. Go. Guys, don't stop anymore. Continuous tayo. Before you tap it, you have to do a cross dribble. Stop. Cross roll. Cross tap. Oh. You want. Better the Oh, you want. That's 5. unang pick up na gagawin natin, one hand tap, parang football lang. Just do a regular drop. Tap nyo lang yung bola, tap. Then finish. High five na. Guys, don't forget pa rin yung drop natin. Iya. Tap, tap. Ano? Ilan na, Liam? Tap, yo, tap. Liam, ikaw mag-kilit pa tap. 3?
Nice one. Nine.
Wait, wow. Ayun o. Is that right? Liam and Jordan. Lee. Yun, better. Tatap ko lang yung offense. Si offense, ang gagamitin niya lang weak side niya. Anong weak side mo? Kaliwa. Asa ko to, then close up, stop.
Laban Lee.
After I skip, talan ko siya into a spin seal. Ang spin seal, skip, dribble release, spin seal. Finish. Okay, natin yung skip, spin seal. Open step. Yun na.
Parang skip ah.
Skip into a drop. Go. Pagdating dito. Kuha. Kuha. Guys, di ba kayo mag-skip ha? Layuan natin para sa... Oh. Yan. Kuhanda. Kuhanda. You know. George. Para hindi masundo. Tago mo. Para masin. Kuha. Nakataas na paa, dun yung pinaka the best way na atakihin. Kasi kapag inatakan niyo yung high foot or yung high hand, hindi na mahirapan maglateral yan. So from dito, galing ko sa skip, spin seal, balik ko lang. Last naman, open step, dito ka, just yan. Okay?
Wow.
Guys, ayun o, tagay lang. Ito yung ginawa niya.
Ano ka?
Water break, sige, water break.